I guess winter ain't done with us just yet, but I don't know. The roads are total crap, everything. They've known for 3 days that this storm was coming, and now they're out here and, oh, what do we do? What do we do? The roads are total crap and everything else, and you think with 3 days notice they would have been a little bit more prepared, but however, accidents galore everywhere. There already been, probably been past 10 accidents so far. So, the sad part is it's only been in the last 20 miles. So, oh well. If you're out here, be safe. Keep the shiny side or the cleaner side up anyway. Have a good one.